G'day, this is John from Geometric Surveys. We're on to lesson 2 of EasySurv. Previously we imported a file. I'm going to load that same file. So we say load, and get our CSV. And as I said previously, our definition file is there, so we didn't have to redefine that. What I want to look at today is the map function. This is a very, very useful tool, just showing you what your data looks like once you've imported. If you've got your y and x values mixed up, or if you've got a y on one of the constants, you can see it straight away just by looking at the orientation of the file in the map. Here we are able to zoom in and out just by using the mouse wheel, and as you'll notice, there are a couple of tabs on the top of the screen here. Today I just want to look at general. So basically we have got a few tools on the left hand side that we can look at. On the display function we can toggle these switches to look at whether or not we want to see the labels, descriptions, heights and so on. So sometimes it becomes cluttered, so you might not need to look at heights, and you can roll in, zoom out. Very simple. You're even able to define certain layers. We'll look at those later, but that's when you want to import or export to a DXF file, which can be used in drafting software. A couple of measure functions. A join is simply a distance between 2 points. You click and hold, drop it on there, and that is now your vector, and that vector information is shown at the bottom here. So in this example we can see that the distance is 64.22 and the direction is 255.1502. That join information is only shown for each join that you take. You can see it's changed again. But if you want that information in some sort of text file or report, you close the map and you will go to the display print contents, and you'll notice that there's a join from 81D to that point. That's the same information I read out earlier. Then from the same point to the new one, and there's the join information. This is very handy if you want to compile some sort of report, and you can use that in your Word document, whichever document you're typing it into, and you can send it to Word, send it to Excel, open Office, and so on. You can save this also as an RTF file if you wish. This is what we call a print file. There's the print contents on that tab, print preview. So you can set your margins and you can print straight to your printer if you wish, if you don't want to put it into some sort of report document. You just want it as quick access. This information will stay in the print contents file. So if I close that and I go back to my map and I take a third join, information's there, close up the map, go and look at display print contents, it's gone and put it onto our summary list again. So that is a very nice way of building up some information where you're trying to get to an answer and you'd like to see how you've got there, or you want to explain to somebody how you've got there. Your map function talks directly to the print contents, so it's very nice. Then you can also clear the joins. That information disappears. It does not, however, disappear from your print contents. So let's go back and I'll show you that. Display print contents, it's still there. So don't be worried about that. If you're building up your report and that information is not shown here, it's still captured in your print content file. But the advantage here is that this does not become cluttered when you're starting to take your joins and other calculations. We can calculate an angle between a couple of points. There's that angle. That also gets put into the print contents file. Likewise, area, if you just want to click on the points that you are calculating the area for, accept, yes, area information is put down there, and it's also put into your print contents file. You can change colors if you want. You can print it straight out. This will just print the map, And if you want to clear the CAD, we can clear that. That'll clear the joins as well. So that's the first tab on the map function. We've got other options that we can choose, which we'll go through later in other lessons as we go forward. That is just a basic introduction to our map function.